I found the application process to be relatively quite straightforward. Career Manager was actually quite simple and easy to use. Being able to sort of self-assess yourself on certain competencies and putting together an application which was kind of roughly straightforward in terms of your details, the questions and the verifiers that you put on the report was all quite straightforward and simple. So it was quite easy. I was inspired to become an engineer partly because when I was at school I just loved building things. So that would range from woodwork, metalwork, electronics, and naturally from there it followed on to wanting to know why things actually worked in the first place. I wanted to apply to the IIT partly because it had a nice broad umbrella in terms of subjects. I kind of roughly knew I wanted to stay in engineering and the rough area of engineering I wanted to stay in. But the IIT gave me some flex in terms of if I decided to change my job title and, to become a hardware engineer later on in life, I'd still have a relevant institution attached to my name. Being freshly registered for me really benefited my career when I left university and started looking for sort of post-university roles in the industry. So for me, being able to show that I had sort of a commitment to becoming professionally registered to higher levels in terms of I-Eng and C-Eng was really shown by already having EngTech when I left university. My best bit of advice I could give to anyone starting the registration process would be to get a mentor and get used to a professional registration advisor and get your application to a really good state that they can look at it and actually provide some meaningful advice on your application before sending it off.